Hey guys, hope you guys are good and well. This is Marvin Germo of Stock Smarts. If you're new to this Facebook page, like us. If you're new to this YouTube channel, subscribe so you get updated on the latest on the stock market and how you can actually build a firm conviction of how you can make money in the stock market. Because I really believe that the stock market is a game-changing investment that will allow a lot of people to maximize their wealth and also let it grow for the long term. So don't get left behind as the Philippine economy is still growing, still moving. Stay invested, or if you haven't invested yet, try to find ways on how you can learn and educate yourself so that you get to invest and use that money to multiply, especially now that inflation is higher. As inflation is higher, you need to find investments that will beat inflation. Alright, so that's the heart and the goal of this video series, is really to help you so you make wise decisions in your investments so that you reach your goals of financial freedom. Quick updates on our sessions. The largest investment conference in the country, ICON 2018, will be next week already, May 26 at the Samsung Hall. It will feature amazing speakers. People I look up to. Rex Mendoza bought PLDT at 3 pesos per share. Dodong Kakanando made his expansive wealth just by investing and managing and building businesses connected to farming. Randall Chongson, you all know him. He's the personal finance guy here in the Philippines. Then you have Jairus Ferrer, never went to college, started his own tech company related to farming. Denise Kakanando also never went to college but started her own business. Sean C, the SEO hacker, digital guy, started his own company at 22 years old. Then you have Wilson C, built Kamuning Bakery by just investing in real estate. Marilyn Montenegro, she's building a business into digital content. Carl D into real estate. You have so much story, so much principles that you can learn from different types of people. These are people I respect. So if you guys want to learn more about it, I'll put the link below. And I hope to see you May 26, 2018, ICON 2018, Samsung Hall. After that, I'll be in Melbourne, June 9 to 11, then Stock Smarts Manila, June 16, 23, and June 30. The goal naman of all of those sessions is to help you trade the markets using technical and fundamental analysis as well. And lastly, we'll have Iloilo and Hong Kong, July and August. So if you're in those areas, hook me up, and I hope you guys learn from the sessions that we have there. Alright, so PSEI, I mentioned this yesterday that it broke down from the 7,700 level. As it started to break down, please remember it's a stock that's breaking down. We'll try to find the next support. So as of this point in time, based on previous week's history, that we have a support at around 7,500 levels. The market today, though, closed at around 7,600. Let me double check. 7,600. It closed at 7,672, which is down 0.28%. However, one thing to note there, no volume for that was only 4 billion, very weak, meaning it showed a lack of conviction in terms of where buyers and sellers wanted to bring the markets. But should volume pick up and it would start to continue to go down, please take note that 7.5 is a downside target. But for it to have any semblance of it going up, it must go to around 7,700 for it to have a shot to go back up again to 7,900 in the near term. But without going to 7.7, possible movement will bring it to around 7,500. Alright, but this video is not about the PSEI. I got more than, I guess, 200 plus messages today about Vita. Hope you guys, for you guys who are positioned in the stock, hope you learn from this, and hope you can also I guess maximize how you can actually trade it as well, and it could possibly teach you some entry points, exit points. And for me, when I started out investing, minsan nahirapan ako before. It was easy to buy, but I didn't know when to dispose it, and my emotions were tugging me where to sell. Kasi at the end of the day, the stock market will, since it's your money, your emotions will pull you to different directions. That's why I love technical analysis, and that's why I believe it's one of the best ways for you to trade the markets with confidence, is because you get to use it via the visuals, via the numbers, based on logic, that there's no guessing, but it's just the charts taking it as it is. Alright, so let's go and try to analyze this from a perspective of quick trading and position trading. Please take note na Vita, I'm not too sure about what the fundamentals is. It's not in my watch list for something that I'll invest over the long term. And I suggest, if you want to invest in something for the long term, you better be sure about what the fundamentals of the company is so that if it drops, you have a good area where to come in. But that's investing. Totally different story, totally different strategy, totally different ball game as well. So Vita, who has Vita, please comment below. If you want another stock, comment below as well, and we'll try to make videos, as much videos as we can for those stocks, so you guys get updated on what's happening as well. So here's the chart for Vita. No? Everything that we'll talk about here is under the concept, and it's under the guise of technical analysis. So check this out. Here's the chart of it. There you go. You'll see that over the past I guess month or so, the stock started already to consolidate or move in a sideways pattern there. So what does that mean also? This means different things for both position and quick traders, because again, position traders follow the trend. Position traders, as long as the stock is still bearish, still bullish, they can still hold on to it. And based on MACD, based on the longer moving averages here, the trend is still pretty much intact. The trend is still pretty much bullish. So why am I saying this? For position traders, since the trend is pretty much still in an uptrend, the prevailing direction is still up, buyers are still leading it for the mid to long term. We don't have any sell signal yet for position traders. Alright, so you are positioned in Vita. You were able to enter at the breakout from 2.1, 2.2 when it started to reverse from downward to upward. For those who attended the Stock Smart sessions, no, you can go back to the lesson about when moving averages would jumble, tangle with each other, and it starts to break out. You know the result of it, and that's the technique you could have applied here for Vita when it started to break out last April and position to an uptrend. So case in point, position traders, no sell signal, hold on to your positions. And again, please do not let your emotions rule you, because if you let your emotions rule you, you might have to sell at a early point, and you don't want to do that, because there's a possibility still that as it hits certain support levels, starts to bounce, it may prolong the uptrend as well. Now for quick traders, it's a different scenario already. As what I mentioned, some point in April, the stock started to go nowhere. It started to consolidate. So that's also a trading pattern already for a lot of people who would want to do quick trade. So why am I saying this? If you look at this very well and you look at this carefully, this is a trading range already. You see the trading range over here, somewhere around here at 2.9 to around 3.8 pesos per share. So triggers to be able to buy and sell the stock is a buy here 2.9, sell here at 3.8, buy again at 2.9, sell at 3.8. So why am I saying this? The stock dropped today, but you should not be surprised of it dropping today. Why? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days it tried to break out from 3.8 level, tried to break out from the 3.8 level, but it never did. It never had a chance, never had a shot. So why am I saying this? Quick traders could have already sold it to have taken profits here already. So that could have been a sell signal. That could have been an area for you to take profits and sell and get away from the stock. So what the drop that they're seeing here is just a recipient of it failing to break out from the 3.8 peso resistance level. So this is just a recipient of what happened here, that it failed to break out of this level. So you should not be shocked of this. Because of this already, you already have a sell signal. Plus this is denoting a change in direction downward. The change in direction downward will probably bring it to around 2.9 pesos per share. So why am I saying this? For those who were able to sell from Vita, congratulations, because it failed to break out. It's already a sell signal. It's already a take profit signal. Nothing wrong selling at that point in time. So here's the thing. Vita will probably go to 2.9 pesos per share. As it goes to 2.9 pesos per share, you can watch out for that. If it bounces, buy again and then set your target at 3.8. That's how amazing the stock market is. You don't actually need to look at the news. You don't actually need to speculate, because everything that you need can be found in the charts as well. By the way, a buy at 2.9 and sell at 3.8 is around 30-31% gain. So not bad. So I hope you guys are maximizing trades like that, because money can be made also while majority of the stocks are going down, as long as you are very selective in what you're doing. So a couple of things. If from 2.9 it bounces, target price is around 3.7, 3.8. If it fails to hold 2.9, possible drop will bring it to 2.65 pesos per share. Alright, so that's it for now. I'll try to make more videos during the weekend, and I hope that this is something that will build a larger conviction on how you make money and trade the markets with confidence. Alright, so this is Marvin Germo from Alabang. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. 1 week before Icon, 3 weeks before Stock Smart's Melbourne. I hope you guys attend, and I hope to see you, and I hope that we forge a new generation of Filipinos who make money in the stock market. So see you all again soon.